Oh, hello my friends. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So for today's video, we're showing you a laptop power bank. I don't know about you guys, but that is something that I've always wanted to review and to use because I can't tell you how frustrating it is to find a power bank that actually works with laptops. Hey guys, they give you a manual. I mean, this is so sleek. Look how thin that is. So this, according to the data that they provide, is a 20,000 mAh power bank. It's just spread out to be flat and smooth. You have 2 USB outlets and 2 Type-C outlets that are in and out. Digital display, so pressing the button. Oh, that is really cool. So press the button and it has a digital display. It's smart charging capability. So we're going to go ahead and plug in our cell phone. So this is really good for laptops, tablets, and for charging multiple devices. So we're going to take our cell phone. We're going to use the Type-C cable that they provide. Plug it right in there. Well, let's go with Type-C port number 1. Wow. Unbelievable. It started at like 42 hours. It's down to 12 hours. And it's going to keep coming down. Wow. I do want to go ahead and show you guys here that this product is honest and true. And what I mean by that is a lot of products claim to be rapid charging or quick charging, and sadly, I would say 60% of the power banks that I've reviewed in the past that actually said they're quick charge, they're not. But here we can prove that this one is a quick charge. All right, first let's take a look. We have it plugged in, nothing else around. Into our cell phone. And as you can see, rapid charging rapidly. So this says 20 minutes to charge full. This says 15 hours on here. So I'm guessing the power bank can last another 15 hours of charging. That would be my guess. Overall, guys, this is actually something that's really great for a backpack. It's sleek and small design. Really nice. I'm impressed. I like this. I like the flat design. Very nice. Good for a bug out bag as well. And it fits perfectly right inside its pouch. Very nice.